Hi everyone, I'm Stacy and I just wanted to show you how to make a Chinese chicken salad. Now this is a really refreshing meal that's perfect for the summer weather. And here in North Texas, we're reaching into the 80s and it's just perfect for today. So the first thing I did was cut up 4 cups of napa cabbage and I'm adding 2 cups of purple cabbage to that. I have 1 cup of shredded carrots, a half a cup of chopped up cilantro, and a half a cup of chopped up green onions. So I'm just going to go ahead and give this a stir, and then I have about 3 cups of chopped up chicken for this. Okay, I'll stir it again. And I'm going to set this aside while I make the dressing. Okay, so to make the dressing, I have 3 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 4 tablespoons of avocado oil, 3 teaspoons of grated fresh ginger, 3 cloves of garlic, and I minced that up small. I have 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar, and 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. Low sodium really does make this much better. I'm just going to go ahead and give this a stir, and then I will refrigerate this just for at least 30 minutes so that it has time to blend all those flavors together. And then when I'm ready to serve my salad, I will pour this over the top. Another thing that you can do for your salad is add a garnish, which would be sesame seeds or sliced almonds. They're really good with this one. So that's all there is to it, guys. I hope you're having a great day. Bye.